Hello, so Ian Timanalis is here, and let's get play this King of Fighters to training how to use those any Takuma's Takuma students. So let's get zooming up. Okay, so let's get the name called my own favorite has been released from Hadouken, the Tiger Flame Punch. But the next one is Zanret Skin. Okay, so man, how's that doing on? That's it. This is a Zanret Skin, right? Okay, from the lightning legs knockout kick. Oh, not that. I'm joking. Not that. Anything is my favorite is Shorankyak. Has been dagging with his opponent. I didn't block. I'm joking. We'll try again. Okay, the Tiger Boulder Black Bass. Do you want to try it? The Hoshikuken, my favorite. How's that? How's that? My favorite. That's my favorite move, and that's own my own gaming, and this is my own train from Takuma. Thanks for watching. This is Ian Timanalius. Goodbye. Slam it in, bitch.